This 5-minute solution will show you how to get microphone icon on iPhone keyboard. So if you're in your keyboard and you are wondering how to add or enable the little mic icon at the bottom right corner, follow these easy and simple steps. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Keyboard, scroll down. You will get this Enable Dictation option here. So all you have to do is just toggle this switch on, tap on Enable Dictation. Now if I go to my message, as you can see the mic icon has been added. And to change the mic icon language, tap on Dictation Languages. From here you can change your dictation language. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.